Hi everyone, welcome to week one. So we are diving right into the semester. It's really the beginning of health and wellness. Sorry, I'm going to move my face so you guys can see what's going on. Um, so really we're going to start with self, family, and community. So we're going to take an internal look at kind of what drives us and then look at how family dynamics play an effect, and then also your environment and the community that you live in. So this uh, Blackboard shell, every single week you will have a kind of welcome what to expect. So this is going to show you that you need to complete 3 different folders for the week, and then what individually in each folder you need to do. So if you scroll down, there is a Blackboard introduction folder that you'll go through, and I'll click on this so you guys can see it. So I want you to go through all of this information, and then you will complete the information literacy assignment. And this you may have already completed for previous classes, so it may be quickly done. But otherwise, you will have to go through and complete the research basics badge set through the library. And so this will tell you how to get there. So that is something that will be due at the end of week one. And just, I think I say it a few times, but I'll continue saying it. Every assignment, unless otherwise noted, is due 11:59 of the Sunday. So for me, my weeks start Monday at midnight, and they go through Sunday at 11:59 p.m. So everything will be due Sunday at 11:59 p.m. unless otherwise noted. Some of your assignments will be, a couple weeks, and so you'll have 2 weeks to complete that information. So that was the Blackboard introduction folder, and then we'll go through the self, family, and community folder. And so this is really kind of the meat of this week. You always will have a PowerPoint that will go through the information, which if we were taking an in-person class, this would kind of be my lecture. So you can go through this PowerPoint, and then you'll also need to read the chapter and then complete both the Learn Smart and the quiz. So every chapter you'll have a Learn Smart, and a quiz that you'll have to complete. And this is just to further the information, really solidify it, because this is what's really going to help you when you get to those unit exams. And then you'll have an environmental health lab. So all of these, you just click on the link, the hyperlink, and it will take you straight into the McGraw-Hill website, and so you'll be able to complete those that way. Then you will also have a fitness assessment lab, and that will be found in this exercise lab week. And so you'll go through, click on this to really identify the fitness assessment, and then you'll complete the lab itself. So all of these are due by Sunday. I'll have to look and see what the date is. August 29th. August 29th by 11:59 p.m. So if you have any questions about any of that, most of the assignments will be found in the Self, Family, and Community folder, and then you'll also have the exercise lab and the information literacy assignment, which is in the Blackboard introduction folder. And the other thing that you'll notice is the time lengths that are identified. This is an average. So this is likely the amount of time that it would take the average student to complete. If you know anything about 3-credit courses or length of time, students are typically, to set aside for 3-credit courses, 7.5 hours every week. This would be less if we were in person, because you would also have that class time that would, take some of those hours. But for a 3-credit online course, the average is 7.5 hours of time. So just be prepared that that's really the length of time you should be dedicating to this course every week. So if it takes you a little bit less or a little bit longer, that's okay. This again is just the average time. Some of these are timed, so those are pretty exact and specific. But most of the quizzes will allow you to do a retake if you want to get a better score. If you have any questions, let me know. But otherwise, I hope you have a great first week. I'm excited about the assignments that I'm going to get in and to start getting to know you guys a little bit more. Thanks.